Planning a short trip to Bahrain for tourism, business, or a family visit? Here is a quick guide to the Bahrain eVisa application process. First, fill out the online application form. Enter your personal and travel details and upload the required documents, such as your valid passport, copy of your air ticket, hotel booking confirmation, bank statement, and if you are a GCC resident, your GCC residency certificate. Then, review your details carefully and submit the application. After submission, you will receive an application number. Keep this number safe because you will need it to track your Bahrain eVisa status. And finally, pay the Bahrain eVisa fee securely online using a debit or credit card. Once your application is approved, your eVisa will be sent to your email address, ready to download or print. Processing usually takes about 6 to 8 working days, with rush options between 4 and 7 working days for an extra fee. The Bahrain eVisa is fully online and suited to short visits, while regular visas through an embassy are more common for longer stays such as work, study, or residency.